And look what I found. Sure, yeah, you can see it. Right over here. There's a hole. Yep. So this is completely.
I think I found where the water is coming from. I knew that the rear quarter was replaced, but I didn't know it was this part of a job. Here he even left holes in the metal. I would give him 10 out of 10 for the welds. I was sanding down a hard spot and I've revealed the onion that was beneath. The hood is grey, and then we see a blue, and then another blue. At least there is so much material here that I don't even need to add filler to flatten this out.
My door handle is kind of broken. So I'm looking back at my downpipe that came with the car, done masterfully. Like a huge gaping hole, another spot, okay, maybe even here, also here. Look at this lip. He didn't even bother to clean this up.
The hole for the valve perfectly matches the pipe.
Tai vat, čia šūkinis geras,
Užmorozintas.
išmarozintas.
Tada. Nuostabu.